Everybody, welcome back to my channel, BB's Beauty Beat. If this is your first time tuning in with me, please make sure you subscribe below. Please ignore my dog. You are being rude. Thank you. Again, please make sure you subscribe below. Today we're going to be focusing on this fun green and yellow St. Patty's Day look that I am currently wearing. This will not be a full face tutorial today. I do have one already posted that I will link below, and if you guys would like another one, please let me know. Next week we will be doing a makeup review on this Cover FX foundation. I think I had it turned the wrong way. This Cover FX foundation that I am currently wearing. If you are looking for a new medium to full coverage foundation and maybe you haven't found one that really does what you like, please make sure you tune in next week for this review. This foundation is awesome, and I'm not going to go into much detail on it because we are going to be doing the review next week. But enough of my rambling, let's get to the video. I'm going to start off in our BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and those three highlighted colors are what we're going to be using for our green and yellow look that we have. And for the outside of the eye as well as under the brow bone, we are going to be using these two highlighted colors from our Jacklyn Hill Morphe palette. We're going to start off with our eyebrows as usual using our Anastasia Dip brow in the color Ebony. Please excuse the band-aid that is on my face. I could not find my face tape, but we're going to get the job done. We use that dip brow to fill in and line our brows as usual with our angled brush that we got from Target, as well as our spoolie. Our spoolie is really going to be our best friend to make sure that that product is worked in very well so that we don't have any harsh lines.
I was a child, it's been my dream. She knows I really love this whole music thing. Since I was a child, it's been my dream. I can't support her, treat her and spoil her. You know, buy her the finest thing, but I forgot about loving her.
And then we're going to go into our Bare Minerals concealer in the color Deep 2 to make sure that we line our eyebrows, the top and the bottom, just to make sure that it's neat and that we can accomplish the shape that we're looking for.
Sitting here waiting on you. I'll be waiting. Promise I'll be here to the very end. I promise I'll be here.
We're going to take our small oval brush to make sure we work the product into our skin so that we don't have a halo effect. And then we're going to use our LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color medium beige, and that's a little lighter than I would normally do, but I really want the colors to pop. So we're going to put that on our eyelid, just spread that around, and we're going to use this as the primer. And then we're just going to take our fingers and pat it and smooth it out because it is a little harsh when I did put it on with the applicator. And once we smooth it out how we like it, we are going to go in with our, we're going to set that with our benign translucent powder in the color Topaz. And then we're going to use that first green that we showed out of our BH Cosmetics palette, and we're going to use this as our foundation color. So we're going to put this all over the lid, and we're going to make sure that we use circular motions as well as the windshield wiper motions back and forth. And then we're going to build some intensity in adding that second green that we showed earlier. And just make sure that you marry that first green and that second green together. I'm so sorry I'm not using the names of the actual colors. I will make sure I list them in the description box below. And then we're going to go in and use the color Enchanted from our Jacklyn Hill Morphe palette, and we're going to add that to the outside of the eye. We're not going to bring that in too far. And then for we're going to take that LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color medium beige again, and we're going to add that starting in the corner of our eye, and we're just going to bring that out midway over the eye. I do have hooded eyes, so I kind of go a little bit over where the crease in my eye is, just so we can make sure we have visibility. We're going to pat that out just so we don't have any smudges when we start packing on our yellow color from our BH Cosmetics. Jacklyn Hill has the colors listed on the back of the palette and the BH Cosmetics doesn't, so that's why I'm gonna have to look those up, which is why I don't know those colors off the top of my head.
It's here to stay, baby.
And then we're just going to take one of our brushes from earlier, not adding any additional product, but just blending it out to make sure everything is seamless. And then we're going to be using the color Obsessed in our Jacklyn Hill Morphe palette under the brow. And we're going to take our glitter and we're going to place that right where we stopped with our cut crease. This particular glitter I did get from Amazon, and I will link that below. There isn't a name on the actual package, so I'll make sure I link that below as well as with the price. Just going to take our liquid eyeliner and draw our line right where that band-aid is, and then we're going to just follow the curvature of our eye and make sure we connect that so that we can create our wing. We're going to add some gold glitter over the yellow shadow that we did use. I am trying to cover up where I did get a little of the green on there. And then we're going to use some of our favorite lashes. They are by Tarte. I did get those from Ulta online. They had a sale going on. We have our finished look. Happy St. Patrick's Day, everyone. Please make sure you like and subscribe, and please share. And don't forget to tune in for next week when we have our Cover FX makeup review.